My name is Mr. Brown and I'm Head of Year 7 and Transition here at the AKS.
When I first found out I was coming to AKS, I was quite excited but also a bit nervous.
There's a wide variety of different events during the transition process. They range from big sporting days to social evenings as well as the entrance assessment, so there really is something for everyone.
My favourite event must be the Sports Scholarship Day. The queue was my favourite transition.
You get to know more people and the teachers.
Definitely the sports.
It was really nice to go into a team with a bunch of other people.
The evening where we got to make lots of friends.
Such a good feeling.
Maybe you've got a couple of worries already that are on your mind. Maybe you're worried about
Getting lost.
Making friends.
How much homework I would be getting.
How mean the teachers would be.
I only had one friend coming, so meeting people was quite a big thing.
It's natural to gravitate towards a familiar face, but some people join us not knowing anyone, and that's okay.
We work really hard here at school getting to know you as an individual, making sure that when you join us in September, you're in a form with people that you will know and people that you will be able to make friends with easily.
The transition events made it a lot easier for me joining school.
You got to learn new people's personality.
Because then I was more familiar with people who might be in my form.
Because it's different to where you were in primary school.
During the transition process, I'll be visiting all of the local primary schools where I'll get to meet you one-on-one and we can talk about all of the worries that you may have.
You want to be settled in before you come into school.
The best bit about AKS would probably be all the sports clubs and just so many opportunities.
I just love it so much. You just feel welcome.
These events are all about building new relationships, strengthening existing ones, and building in confidence together.
Ultimately, whatever you're feeling during this transition process, you are not alone. Everyone is in the same boat and you are all part of the same team.
Don't be worried because it might look really big on the outside, but it's really not.
Go in, do your thing, do the work that you do. Just be you, to be honest.